All right. Welcome. Uh, my name is Dr. Gilmore. This is Psi 241, IN 55. This is developmental psychology. 8-week course, March 9 through May 10. I just want to take a moment, take a quick look at a few things in Moodle. This is a fully online class, asynchronous, which means we do not meet in person. It's strictly online. We won't have any online meetings, anything like that. So welcome. So the first thing you want to do is scroll down and find the syllabus. Okay. Go ahead and open up that syllabus. You should be seeing it now on your screen. And again, you can see my information, class information, course description, a bunch of other stuff. I'm going to kind of go past this because it's not really pertinent to you at this point. But I do want to talk real quick. Textbook. You do not need a new textbook. You do not need MindTap access. If you buy a new textbook, you will get that, but that's not required. So don't feel like you have to buy a new textbook. If you can find a used one, then that would be great. Save you some money. Obviously, you need access to Moodle and your student email. You won't need any materials for taking notes. Well, take your own notes while you're reading and studying. Let's see here. So the class is a total of 1,000 points. And so in order to earn a 70%, you have to earn 695 points. So that should be your minimum goal. But I think you can all do better than a C. That's just my opinion. Keep going down. 10-point grade scale. Academic integrity. This is a big issue with online classes. We have software in place that can catch cheating, plagiarism, sharing of assignments, things like that. So the best policy is do not do it. If you feel tempted to do so, stop. Think about why you feel tempted to cheat or plagiarize, and then really think about, is it worth it? And in my opinion, it's not. So let's get past that. So just, make sure, get caught once, 0 on the assignment. Get caught twice, F in the course. And I have caught people trying to get away with it twice, and that's made bad decisions. That's what happens. Anyhow, so don't do it. Please don't do it. It's not worth it. I'm going to scroll down a little further to some stuff that you really care about. Attendance policy. Now, we don't have seated class meetings or online class meetings, so no attendance in that sense. However, you do want to stay active in the class. If you are inactive for a period of 14 days, then I can withdraw you from the course. Also, if you don't complete at least 80% of course assignments, that can also result in being withdrawn. And the last day to drop the course with a grade of W, which does not hurt your GPA, is April 26th. Yeah, that's pretty much. I mean, please do read the whole syllabus. I'm not going to sit here and read it all to you, but please do that when you get a moment. After you read the syllabus, complete this right here, the enrollment verification quiz. If you do not do this by the due date, March 14th, 11:59 p.m., then I will have to withdraw you from the course. Also, if you do not complete this, you will not have access to the first module, chapter 1, right? It's not available unless you achieve a certain score, in the enrollment verification quiz. So make sure you do that. Also note, the assignments for chapter 1 are due March 14th, okay? So if you wait until March 14th to do the enrollment verification quiz, well, you're going to be putting yourself in a hole, and it's going to be you're going to be pressed for time. Okay, so here's a link. If you have Cengage Unlimited or you have ebook access, you can use this link here to access the ebook. If you do click on the link itself, do know that any of the activities in the link do not count towards your grade, even though they may say so. They absolutely do not count towards your grade. So All the assignments that you will do that will count towards your grade in this class will be directly in Moodle. They will not be in any outside link or website. Okay. This is a news forum here. I use this to communicate with the class, so you won't really even touch that. Don't worry about it. But yeah, I think it's going to be a great class. Right now, you're not going to be able to see much of this on the left-hand side because I have it hidden. As we progress through the class, I will open it up. And you'll notice the class moves quickly, right? I mean, the first chapter, you got a good bit of time. But then chapter 2, March 15 through 19. Chapter 3, March 20 through 25. Chapter 4, March 26 through 29. So the class does move quickly. You do need to stay on top of it. Don't get behind. If you get behind, you're going to have trouble catching back up. Because remember, this is a condensed course, right? Normally, this would be 16 weeks, but it's double time, right? It's 8 weeks long. So it's going to move very quickly, okay? So yeah, that is pretty much it. Again, my name is Dr. Gilmore. I'm happy that y'all are in the class. I'm looking forward to helping you out along your educational journey, and specifically to developmental psychology. So, with that being said, have a great day. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out. That's what I'm here for, to help you be successful in any way that I can possible. So, yeah, that's about it, and I'll see you around.